Hey guys, welcome back, and this is Peloton Not Turning On. So I made a table over here with multiple solutions, so follow along. First one is just simply verify power connections. So guys, make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the wall, and make sure to check the green light on the power adapter, or you could try using another outlet. Another one is just simply power cycle the bike. So just simply unplug the power cable from the Peloton bike and wait for 30 seconds. And after that, just simply plug it right in. And from there, you should be able to fix it. Another one is just simply inspect touch screen connections. So guys, just simply check if the cables connecting the touch screen are secured, and just simply apply light pressure so you could ensure proper connection at the back of the screen. Another one is just simply directly connect power to the touch screen. So just simply disconnect both monitor cables and the power cable from the base of the bike. And after that, just simply connect the power cable directly to the touch screen power jack. And after that, just simply hold the power button for around 3 to 5 seconds. Now you should be able to fix it. Another one is just simply check for any error messages. So when there is an error messages, guys, just simply write them down. And after that, when you contact the Peloton support, you can just simply provide them these details. And guys, remember that any of these doesn't work, just simply contact the Peloton support for professional help. And guys, check if the bike is still under warranty so you may qualify for repair or replacement. There you go. See ya.